How to buy Amazon Kindle gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Amazon Kindle gift card. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you want to tap on the search option and search for Kindle gift card. Once you search for it, all of the Kindle gift cards will be appearing over here in the search results. Now you can tap on whichever you want. Now go through these details, and if this is the item that you want to purchase, then down below you want to select the quantity. Tap on this drop down menu and select how many Kindle gift cards you want to purchase. Once that is done, you want to tap on the add to cart option. Once you have added it to the cart, you want to proceed to checkout. Now you will have to select a payment method. If you have not added that, go ahead and add a credit or debit card or any other payment method. Now tap on the continue option. After following the on-screen prompts, you can very easily buy Amazon Kindle gift card online, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.